a name synonymous with wealth, power, and ambition. In a land of billion dreams, one man stands taller than the rest, Mukesh Ambani. His journey is a masterclass in strategy, daring, and audacious risk-taking. It's a story that screams hustle, whispers legacy, and explodes with the fireworks of controversy. In this video, we dive into the enigma that is Mukesh Ambani. But before starting, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Humble origins and a vision forged in steel, 1957 to 1981. From a modest two-room apartment in Bombay, Mukesh's tale begins. Son of a gas station attendant, destiny dealt him a humble hand. But ambition, like a potent fuel, coursed through his veins. Education at prestigious institutions honed his mind, while his father, Dhirubhai, a self-made titan, instilled the fire of entrepreneurship. In 1981, Mukesh joined forces with his father, taking the helm of Reliance Industries, a fledgling petrochemicals company. Diversification dynasty, building an empire, 1981 to 2002. Mukesh saw beyond oil. He envisioned a Reliance that stretched like a banyan tree, its roots deep in petrochemicals, its branches reaching into retail, telecom, renewable energy. He gambled, he acquired, he disrupted. Reliance Retail revolutionized Indian shopping. Jio shattered telecom monopolies, and his ventures into media and infrastructure painted the canvas of a diversified behemoth. Sibling rivalry and a billion-dollar split, 2002 to 2010. But within the glittering edifice, cracks appeared. A bitter feud with his younger brother Anil split the empire in two. A $44 billion asset division, the largest in corporate history, made headlines. Yet, Mukesh remained undeterred. He doubled down, pouring billions into Jio, a gamble that would rewrite the telecom landscape. Jio Revolution, democratizing data and disrupting the game, 2010 present. India, once a land where data dripped like precious saffron, saw its digital dam burst in 2016. In 2016, Jio arrived, a disruptor armed with free calls and cheap data. It redefined affordability, connected millions, and triggered a price war that shook the industry. Mukesh Ambani, Asia's wealthiest titan, unleashed Reliance Jio, slashing data prices by a staggering 93%. In 6 months, data consumption shot up 232%, catapulting India from a data desert to a global leader. Ambani, the audacious gambler, had poured $90 billion into building the world's largest 4G network, defying crazy naysayers. Jio's free data and calls weren't just deals. They were digital dynamite, blasting open the internet for millions. Mom and pop shops went online, farmers navigated the weather with smartphones, and a nation felt empowered. This wasn't just a company, it was a revolution, bridging the digital chasm and igniting dreams. But Jio's ambition doesn't rest. 5G roars on the horizon, promising even greater reach and speed. With Ambani at the helm, Jio's gaze is fixed on global dominion. The Indian data revolution, born from a single audacious leap, is poised to rewrite the digital world's script. The man, the myths, and the money. Mukesh Ambani, the enigma. A man worshipped for his business acumen, criticized for his wealth, and shrouded in the mystique of Antilia, his billion-dollar home. He's a philanthropist, a cricket enthusiast, a father, and a figure who divides opinion like no other. According to Forbes, in 2023, Mukesh Ambani is currently the richest person in Asia, with a net worth exceeding $100 billion. The rise of Reliance Industries. From humble polyester beginnings, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries has morphed into a petrochemical and technological behemoth, reshaping India's industrial landscape. In the 1980s, Ambani, then a young Dhirubhai Ambani protege, led the shift from textiles to polyester, laying the foundation for a vertically integrated petrochemical empire. By 2023, Reliance accounted for a staggering 15% of India's GDP, boasting the world's largest refinery complex and churning out $78 billion in revenue. But Ambani's vision stretches beyond fossil fuels. Today, Reliance pumps billions into green energy, aiming to become the world's largest by 2030, and Jio, its telecom disruptor, has connected over 400 million Indians, revolutionizing data access and propelling Ambani to Asia's richest man with a net worth exceeding $100 billion. From polyester threads to digital threads, Reliance's rise under Ambani's shrewd leadership has rewritten India's economic story, and its future, fueled by renewable energy and digital dominance, promises to be even more thrilling. The future of Reliance. What's next for Mukesh Ambani's empire? Beyond fossil fuels, chasing the green dragon. Reliance, long synonymous with oil, is making a dramatic U-turn. Ambani, with his characteristic audacity, is pouring billions into renewable energy. His target: to become the world's largest green energy player by 2030. It's a moonshot gamble, fueled by India's insatiable energy needs and the global push for sustainability. Can Reliance, the oil giant, shed its past and become the green dragon, dominating the future of energy? Reliance expects to invest $75 billion in green energy over the next 3 years. The company aims to achieve 100 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030. India's renewable energy market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 14.1% between 2023 and 2032. AI and the retail revolution, reshaping how we shop. But Reliance isn't just chasing sunbeams. Ambani sees artificial intelligence as the next frontier. He's weaving AI into the fabric of Reliance retail, creating a seamless, personalized shopping experience. Imagine aisles that adapt to your preferences, virtual fitting rooms, and deliveries so fast they feel telepathic. This isn't sci-fi, folks. It's Reliance's vision for the future of retail. Reliance Retail plans to invest $2.5 billion in AI and related technologies over the next 5 years. Economic Times 2023. According to Statista, in 2023, the Indian AI market is expected to reach $31.1 billion by 2026. Geo on steroids, connecting the unconnected and dominating the digital landscape. Let's not forget Geo, the telecom behemoth that democratized data and transformed millions of lives. But Ambani isn't resting on his laurels. He's gearing up for Geo 2.0, a 5G juggernaut promising lightning-fast speeds, immersive experiences, and a nationwide network, connecting even the remotest corners of India. It's about more than just connectivity. It's about fueling innovation, driving the digital economy, and solidifying Geo's position as the undisputed king of India's digital space. According to PTI, in 2023, Geo is expected to roll out 5G services across India by the end of 2024. India's 5G market is expected to reach $130 billion by 2025. Statista, 2023. Geo currently holds over 40% of India's mobile data market share. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, 2023. The future of Reliance is a constellation of possibilities, glittering with ambition and uncertainty. Can it navigate the green energy gamble, master the AI revolution, and solidify its digital dominance? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. With Mukesh Ambani at the helm, Reliance's journey will be anything but predictable. Mukesh Ambani's legacy won't be penned on a balance sheet, but woven into the fabric of India's future. His shadow stretches beyond billion-dollar deals, etching itself onto the faces of students empowered by Geo, families lit by Reliance Solar, and entrepreneurs thriving in his digital ecosystem. As the baton passes to the next generation, the question isn't if Reliance will endure, but how profoundly it will redefine the narrative of a nation on the rise. Will it be a force for inclusivity, bridging digital divides? A pioneer in green energy, illuminating a sustainable path? The answer, like the future itself, lies in the hands of those who dare to dream as boldly as Mukesh Ambani did, forever transforming not just a company, but a nation. That was all. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on finance. Stay tuned.